What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? Hey, I want to shoot this video today because I wanted to talk about the educational side of making money online, and how you're really gonna make money. A lot of people, they'll show you their fancy cars. They'll show you all this money. They'll tell you all this and that you can do and all this money that you can make, but they really never explain a lot of the fundamental side. So, like anything else, if you're trying to go to college and you're studying to be something or go through something or have a degree in something specific, then you have to study for that. Online marketing is the same way. There's a lot of things that comes with making money online as far as, capture pages, as far as following up with leads. Um, a lot of different things on that level. And there's two programs that I actually wanted to talk about today, guys, which would be Easy One Up and the Conversion Pros. And I wanted to talk to you guys about how both of those work together. Okay, so Easy One Up, it's an educational platform, pretty much that shows you how to make money, and it allows you to pretty much learn while you earn. Now, when you decide that once you decide that when you set up your free account. Okay, so pretty much what it allows you to do once you set up your free account, then you would actually go and pick a level that you would want to come in at, and each one of these levels has a set of products that shows you pretty much how to make money online. So I wanted to go over these here. Okay, so if you were to come in at the $25 level with this particular program, these are a lot of the trainings that you're going to actually get. Okay, why network marketing, which online network marketing company to join, how to scale your online network marketing business, how to generate leads, how to create leads and capture pages, email cultivating series. Pretty much these are a lot of the videos, signing up for an autoresponder account, how to offer bonuses, review writing techniques, how to create a free offer. These are things that you would learn. These are things that people pay a lot of money to actually get, or information to get, and once they get the information, they'll let others know, or they'll teach it. So if you come in at the $25 level, oh, let me go back here. So if you come in at the $25 level, these are the products that you're going to actually be eligible for. So if you come in and then there's the $100 level, which is the Elevation Elite. So if you come in at the Elevation Elite, you're going to actually have access to the $25 level as well. So you're getting $100 and you're getting the $25 level. And these are a lot of the products that you're going to be able to, and these are a lot of the training courses that you're going to be able to get when you get this. And so you're going to get all of this, including what's on the $25 level. So if someone comes in and they signs up for the $100, then you're going to pretty much be able to get paid from the $100 level and the $25 levels. Okay, so they're pretty much comping you in for both. So once you come in at the $100 level, that's what you're paying for, the $25 and the $100. Okay, so it's not 125, guys, just 100 overall, and it gives you comp into the 25. Okay, now this is where the money picks up a little bit here. This is the Vertex, the 250. Okay, so this gets a little more advanced here. So this is Advanced Digital Business Series. And this is going to kind of go in. So also, if you come at this level, you're going to be comped in at the 100 and the 25. So there's no need to pay 125 then 250 unless you got the money like that. Okay, but these are all of the training bases that you're going to get. So you get an email relationship mastery, profitable relationship, JV partners, the launch process, offers, business systems. Guys, these are all trainings. So you get the reseller rights. You can go out here, resell the same thing, and make money. So you think about the unlimited 250 commissions that you can make. Okay, $500 is the Vertex Elite. Drop shipping counts, zero cost traffic, 50 non-stop traffic methods. So you're going to get all of these for the 500. You're going to get the 250 level, you're going to get the $100 level, and you're going to get the $25 level. You're getting all of this. And this is showing you how to make money online, guys. I've spent countless amounts of dollars online just learning traffic trainings, different programs, different systems, and I've spent way over this, and this is everything in one little scoop here. Okay, and then from there is the Vertex Pro. Okay, so the Vertex Pro, you're gonna get everything included on the $1,000 level all the way down. Okay, so you pretty much get everything. Now here's going to be a lot of the free US free ads, Tumblr training, a lot of social media marketing training was on this particular set here. So If you don't have the 1,000, don't try to go out and get loans. Don't go out and borrow money. Don't go do things like that, because I'm still going to help you out and take care of you on this portion as far as the social media marketing. So even if you do just only come in at the 500, that's fine, because I'm still going to help you guys out by covering some of the bonus that I'm going to allow you to do. I'm going to actually offer you here. Okay. Now, one thing that I do here, these are a lot of the trainings that you would get. But also, with that being said, is that you want to have a marketing system, something that does all of the selling and telling for you. And this is where we're going to jump over here. Okay. Now, you're going to get this with Easy One Up. You're going to get this with Easy One Up here. All right, so pretty much you get a marketing system with the company itself, but I like to have an evergreen system where you can pretty much build it, have something for your team. Even if your team decides they want to promote other things as well, they're able to utilize the same system, so they're just not locked into one damn thing, where they're not able to brand themselves. I like systems that allow you to brand yourself here. So I actually made this particular marketing system here, with this actual sales funnel here with the Conversion Pros. So the Conversion Pros as well is a marketing system slash training platform that shows you how to make money. Now here's the thing, with Easy One Up, this is a one-time payment, okay? So once you're in, you're in. You don't have to do anything monthly on this, okay? Your marketing system is going to be your monthly residual, okay? That right there, you're able to utilize this marketing system free for 7 days. You decide that you like it. From there, it is $50 a month, guys. That is it. $50 a month. When you're able to get in for $50 a month, and anyone that you pretty much offer this system to, or they utilize the system as well, the company is going to pay you a $25 residual income. So now you actually have something that does all of the selling and telling for you, for your business, and you're able to, in the same time, is make money. So when someone says, hey, can I get some information regarding your business, only thing you need to do is give them your link, and your link is going to pretty much do everything for you. See, this whole video is pretty much breaking down Easy One Up, things like that. Okay, and I've already made this for you, so when you come in, I'm going to give you the same exact codes on how to set this up and get everything going. See, it has my information, and then it says join Easy One Up and access my marketing system. Okay, so it shows the Conversion Pros, are just kind of showing you how the system works overall. There's a training on that, and then there's a training with me showing how I utilize Easy One Up. And this is an older video, but it kind of still works the same here, showing you how it works. This is how long I've been involved in TCP. Okay, so if you can kind of see over here, landing page builder, mobile site, and now on top of that, there's an actual website builder. I mean, a webinar replay builder, webinar replay. Okay, where you can pretty much do webinar replays and email broadcaster, text messaging, guys. The list goes deep. So let me just kind of go here and show you. Okay. So capture page creator, email autoresponder, text message, voice message, broadcast, auto dialer, blog creator, mobile website creator, invoice creator, URL creator, URL rotator, QR code creator, marketing, just general marketing videos, guys. Just to name a few, just to name a few things on that. Okay. Now, if you come in here, like I said, these are the ways that you can definitely get paid with this company. So if someone say, hey, I want to come in at the $50 level, then you're paying $50 per month. Or you can just pay $500 per year, or $250. So either way it goes, if you're in the system, you're going to get half of that, okay? So you get half of $50, half of $500, and half of $250. That is how your commissions would be paid out. These are everything that you're going to have, okay? Webinar replay with timer, capture page creator, custom autoresponder, email broadcaster. These are a lot of things that I read out. Now, here's the good thing, because every business, you need leads, guys. You definitely need leads. So, real-time generic biz op leads, real-time weight loss leads, real-time female leads, and also now we have interview leads. So now you can get interview leads as well. People that have actually requested information, so you can actually get in. Now, if you want to utilize the free week here, the free week, you just want to put in the coupon code free week. I haven't set up, but I got a other page, and actually I'm gonna have it at the bottom of this video where you can just go through that link and it'll allow you to sign up for free. But this is everything that you can get with this system to help you promote Easy One Up. Okay, So this system, I've pretty much designed this system to work for Easy One Up. You know, I mean, I've designed this page here. So you come in, I will give you the codes. You can buy leads. People, and these are people that have already requested information regarding making money online. The only thing that we need to do is just reach out to them and give them the information. See how it goes here? Just signs up right up. Look at all this. 3,652 users joined in the last 30 days with Easy One Up. Guys, this is a good program, man. This is a good program that shows you how to make money online. A good program where you can make some good commissions, and these payments are paid directly to you. You don't have to wait on anyone. I mean, you don't have to wait on anyone to pay you. They pay you directly. They can go in your PayPal, your merchant account, or you can have the company process your payments. They do take a certain percentage out. I don't do it that way. So it's up to you, you know. So check everything out, man. Click the link. It's free to set up your free account. See, you just free to set up your free account. TCP is free to set up a free account as well. If you go through this page, use free week. That's going to get you directly in. I also have another link where you can just click it directly and it'll give you a free week as well. But you can check that out. I will give you the codes once you sign up for Easy One Up. Also, as a added bonus, guys, I'm going to give you access to my training here. So when you join me in Easy One Up or TCP, now you have to be a paid member here to have access to this, because this is information that I have paid for, and I put it together here where you guys could actually utilize this. So I did Facebook ads training. I have Facebook ad lookalike audience training, Facebook live training, Facebook ad creating an audience, Facebook group PPC, Instagram PPC ads, get more likes using hashtags, Instagram story ads, Twitter video ads, Bing ads, YouTube keyword ad with lead cards, YouTube placement ads, YouTube ads, the Ty Lopez effect, and there's going to be more added on there. Now I'm going to give you this as an added bonus here, guys. So as you can see, you do need access. There's going to be a link that I'm going to give you where you set up your username, and this is going to give you access. It's just something I put together as a free bonus for you to check out for joining with me, okay? So my goal is to help you succeed. I'm giving you everything you need. And the only thing you need to do is apply it to your programs. If you apply this training to MCA, you can apply this training to TCP. You can apply this training to Easy One Up. You can apply this training to Best Easy Work. Whatever it is that you're doing, you know, even if you're in a crypto MLM, guys, and I know there's been some issues with PMP, and we got to find something different, but it is what it is. We're going to find something cool, but right now this is about Best Easy One Up, okay? So you're going to have access to this free training, okay? Check everything out. Get signed up. I'm giving you everything that you need, guys, where you can go out here and just do what you need to do, okay? So even if you can't come in at the $1,000 level, a lot of the social media training, I'm going to give you some of that through here, and at least that'll help you guys out. So if you come in at the 500, 250, I'm still going to give you this, okay? That's my goal, is to help you win. You're going to get the training as well with TCP, so you should never be failing, man. The goal is for you to never fall and fail. Check it out, all right? Click the link. It's Sunday, guys. If you have any question, you have my information. Much success. Let's work. This your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Until the next video. Peace.